In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I have made over $10,000 on Instagram with less than 2,000 followers. There's going to be a lot of value in this video, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing. And I'm also uploading a video every single day during this whole quarantine period, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, and let's get right into the value. So obviously you guys are on this video because you want to make money with your Instagram account, okay? One thing to understand is I do not view Instagram as a social media platform to be social or to have fun or to do any of that shit. I treat Instagram like a business, and I am very serious about my time on Instagram. In fact, I don't consume content on Instagram, and this is something that my team literally is surprised by. It's something that even myself, I'm kind of surprised by because I used to consume a lot of content. So first thing you need to understand is stop looking at Instagram like a place for fun. Instagram is a place where I make money and I treat it as such. And I do not look at it as a way to have fun or to pass time. It is my work, it is my job, it is my duty, it is my responsibility. So that's the first thing I need you guys to understand. That mindset shift, it needs to happen. Another thing is what you might want to do is if you have your phone with you right now, yes, I have a Samsung. I don't care because I've made money on my phone, and a lot of people, they'll judge you for having a Samsung or whatever, but they've never made a dollar off their phone. So anyways, go on your phone right now and go to my Instagram page, okay? I'll leave a link down below as well, and you can literally just search it up and just have it open and look at my page as we go through this video. So I started my Instagram page on October 10th of 2018, and pretty much I decided I wanted to build a personal brand and I wanted to make money with my Instagram page. I'll make another video on why personal branding is important, but for the main part of this video, we're just going to stay focused on Instagram. So after making my page, I decided that I wanted to make content to my niche, and my niche was pretty much business, entrepreneurship, real estate, and all that type of stuff. And for me, building an Instagram page was very important because I used it to get clients for my real estate business. But again, we're not going to talk about my real estate business because that's a totally separate topic, and that has nothing to do with making money online. So with Instagram, I really wanted to make content that would provide value to my end consumer. And this is something that is very important. So what you need to do is when you're making an Instagram page, you need to think about what are you going to sell on your page. So for me, I've sold courses, and that's how I made a majority of my money. With selling courses, it's a very interesting business model. So I have a course that helps real estate agents grow their Instagram page. And with this course, what you have to do is you have to make a sales cycle and a sales funnel and really understand what the content map looks like. So again, I'm going to really quickly try and explain this. A content map is pretty much what I call the amount of videos and content I need to make to get someone to buy my product. So let's simplify this, okay? Let's say, for example, your Instagram page is about Forex trading and you have a Forex course. What you want to do is you want to make content to bring people into that course. So your first few videos need to be broad. You need to be talking about stuff like financial independence. Why should you trade Forex? Why should you make money online? And then you slowly start to segment these people into more niche down categories and content. So after you make the broader videos, you can then talk about what is Forex trading, how to make money with Forex trading. And then from there, those people that enjoy these videos will then go on to buy your course. And again, you can look through my page and you can see that this is literally what I've done. With Instagram as well, I find that it's very easy to get people and to really show people what you want them to see. Not only have I made course sales on Instagram, I've even done a bit of affiliate marketing and even got hired to do video editing for the biggest name of Canadian real estate, Matt McKeever. Again, I'll cover that a bit more in my personal branding video, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that story. But without further ado, I do need to say that with Instagram, it's going to take a long time for you to make money. The first few months, I did not make a penny off Instagram, and I was mainly just learning the algorithm. I was just learning how to do certain things, how to make content. In fact, how to literally set up like this, like a camera, a backdrop, how to make videos, public speaking. My first videos were awful. Like I would literally start them off like this. Hey guys, it's Radice here, and welcome back to another, it was awful. I had no energy, I didn't really do a good job at it. And it was evident, right? Like if you scroll all the way down and go to the bottom of my page, you can see my first few videos, I lacked confidence and I wasn't really treating it like a business. As opposed to now, I know that this is a business, and I know that, I need to take it seriously. So I wasn't really taking it seriously, and I wasn't really doing my research, and I was still learning a lot of the things. So after identifying your niche and figuring out how the algorithm works and learning and testing things, you then start to monetize. And I do need to say, guys, Do not focus on monetization. Remember, I've been in this game for over a year, and I've made I've made 5 figures at this point. Hopefully 6 figures within the next year or so. But with that being said, just off Instagram, don't look at it as a way to make money quickly, because it's not going to happen. And I promise you, it won't happen unless you have money to invest into it. With that being said, I grew my page organically, and you guys might be wondering, oh, Release, like, how do you only have 2,000 followers, but you've made so much money? Do not focus on how many followers you have. Focus on the quality of your followers, okay? You can have 20,000 followers, but if they're not active, they don't like you, and if they don't engage with your content, you're not going to make a penny off of that person or follower. Most of my followers, I actually have had a conversation with in the DM, or they've commented on my stuff, and they're actually engaged, active, and the quality followers, right? Like, these people, they're fans. They really like my stuff. And, one, I'm extremely grateful to be in that position. In fact, some of you following me from Instagram might even be watching this video, kind of learning and kind of wanting to know more about this business model. And again, I'm very transparent. I'll say it how it is. I don't have anything to hide. And it's just, you need to understand that the amount of followers doesn't matter. Another thing that really helped me make a lot of money is the give, ask principle. And that's just something that I really believe in. And if you're not putting out value first and you're asking for a sale, you're not gonna make money in this business, and you're not gonna be making money in any business for that matter. So full disclosure, what exactly do I sell? Like I said, I sell that course that helps real estate agents. And that course I've made, honestly, off the top of my head, I don't know, because I've been accepting e-transfers, I've been accepting teachable payments. So I've been making, honestly, I've definitely cleared 4 figures with that course. Again, I don't know the number off the top of my head. I haven't been keeping track. Another thing that I do sell/promote is a Forex course. And again, full disclosure, that Forex course that I promote, I make about 33% commission for every time I make a sale. And that course is usually sold around I used to sell it at $400, and now it actually is sold for like $800 to like $1,000. It really depends. So again, you can do the math on that. I've made a few sales. Again, I don't know the numbers because I just haven't been keeping track. But again, you can literally DM me, or you can DM the course owners. This isn't bullshit. Like, I've actually made sales. I've had students in it. You can see testimonials and stuff like that. Another thing that I actually have been selling on Instagram is coaching calls. So I do coaching calls for $50 an hour, and these coaching calls are pretty much calls where I'll help someone, a follower, who wants to do something that I've done. So these coaching calls, and again, a great way to monetize your Instagram page, but it just really depends. Like, coaching calls does not have to be a one-on-one phone call, right? Instead, this can be something where it's like a mentorship program. This can be something where it's like, it can literally be anything, right? Another way I monetize my Instagram page is I actually wrote a book called Seeking Success, which you can actually get down below on Amazon. And this book, I'll be honest, it did not make me a lot of money. In fact, I honestly don't know how much money I've made, but not a lot. Like, definitely, I don't think I've cleared 4 figures with that book. But with that being said, the book is just another way for me to monetize. And for me, I really didn't make the book for money, but again, that is another way I've been monetizing. Other than that, from the top of my head, I do believe those are the only ways I've monetized my Instagram page. With that being said, like, there are a lot of ways. Be creative. You can make an ebook, you can make a guide, you can write a book, you can do so many different things. Make a course, you can sell, like, literally anything. Do affiliate marketing. There's so many different ways that I don't want you guys to limit yourself to really seeing how much money you can make and what you can sell. And again, do not let the amount of followers you have be like a roadblock or be something that's constricting you, okay? Remember, I've made over 5 figures literally with less than 2,000 followers, okay? And future projections for 2020, I do know that I'll be hitting over 20,000 followers. And with that being said, I'll probably be making close to 6 figures. I'll definitely be making, multiple 4 figures per month off my page, but it just really depends on what I do, how I strategically place myself, and how I go about it. So I'm sure there's a lot of questions and a lot of topics that I can go on about making money on Instagram. If you do have any questions, comment down below and I'm going to answer every single one. Like I said, you should have been on my account and kind of looking at how I go about things. Send me a DM on there. Make sure you follow me on there and ask me any questions you have, because I love to help out. Like, these videos I make for free. I don't make money off YouTube yet, so I genuinely like to just make these videos. So make sure you are leaving a like down below. It really helps out a lot. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks and goodbye.